along with ServiceNow, so which goes there.
Okay, Naveen.
So if that does not work, then it's a big problem for us. Okay, that is one. And did you get anywhere with that Salesforce one?
Salesforce one, I was checking that out. Uh, so I just need little information about it. Probably I will email that also. It's like I was just trying to see if we have what is the SAML configuration for it, and
Where? Which SAML?
so for the user on-premises account name, because I know they have updated the ticket and they have write about our initial ticket opening, but now they have asking about the information. So there was I didn't find any, like when I was seeing Salesforce application, I was not able to find any like a secret key or token. So if it is not generating on the application, I was just thinking how will it send it back a token? Like is it possible
What do
to
you mean
send
by?
a request a token when it is not on Salesforce? I'm
Yeah,
going.
but we are see. We have to we don't need to get it on Salesforce, right? The token will
Yeah,
be issued by
right.
Azure, so
Yeah,
they should.
but in
So
Azure,
as an IDP, yeah,
it asks for the secret code, right? When we are requesting.
no, where it is asking.
Okay, I will check it
No, it's not
again.
asking for any code.
Okay, sure.
So see, it is when we use a browser, so it is giving the like SAML response.
Yeah.
Okay. So I use PowerShell and I simulated the browser login. Okay, but it opens up a new browser and then like puts in all the details. So if you do like that, I can get the SAML.
Okay.
Okay, but that is not what we wanted, right? Like when
Yeah.
you do it from like say Unix systems or something, so you'll not, where will you open the browser to simulate that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are getting the SAML response through browser, but that is not what I wanted. So like what they want.
Okay.
So they need to get that through, like initiating through the script, like get request.
Okay.
Okay. So it is just they're initiating a URL. I don't know. Like I think we need to get Karthik and better understand what is his program. Maybe we are hitting a wrong stone. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe we just need that. Like the same link will work. Like we just authenticate and just start sending the information. I don't know. It's possible that you just use the same link, like you're authenticated, and anything you send it will give the data. See, that is what they're doing, right? So they are existing one, they are sending it to our IDP. So
Yeah.
taking the token, use the token to authenticate to like Salesforce, and then
And
they'll get the data.
data. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it could be same possible. I need to check their code. I don't know what they're doing. So,
Naveen, one more thought.
mm.
These mule services are, I think most of the mule related things are connected to LDAP. Is that the problem, do you think, to work with Azure? Because Azure is mostly with AD, right? So do you think
Yeah, but what do you mean by connected to LDAP? Like they use the LDAP groups and all those things, right?
Right. Maybe this also needs some role in AD to connect to Azure. Not sure. Why don't we think in the other ways?
Do you mean to say like we have to use add some user there and then?
Yeah, like that, because OAM was pointing to LDAP and Mule was pointing to LDAP, so it was easy to get what it needed. But here Mule is connected to LDAP and Azure is to AD, so.
Yeah, but when you get the token, you're not directly getting it from LDAP, right? So you're just sending the user ID and password. Okay. and then getting it through OAM. OAM logs into LDAP and gets it.
Right.
Okay, but that SAML response, sorry, it's not from LDAP. It's from OAM.
Right.
Yeah. So we are doing the same thing. Yes, they might have to change the user ID and password because I don't know, a lot of background. Yeah. So they may have to change the user ID because Azure will not recognize the user ID that they are using. Okay, so we may have to change that. But we are trying with my user ID, right? That is also not working.
Okay.
The same thing works on browser. If you see the browser, I can see that there is a SAML response.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So I was reading a lot of articles, man. Everybody points
Yeah.
to the same thing. So not this one. See, everything they gave the same URL.
Okay.
Authorization request. So then they use this. So when you use this, like using their tested application, okay, they gave one test application. Okay, if you use that link, these things happens, but again on browser.
Okay.
Maybe hold on 1 second. Maybe I was wrong. Copy link address. Okay, so let's see this on this one. It's local app, right? Yeah, local app. I've already consented. So let's see if it goes through client ID response line, code, and query 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That is authorization basic. Okay, send. So 200 OK has come. So let's see if I have a SAML. No, see, this is also working the same way. This is the test application.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you put this in browser, that works fine. So see, this came in. So once I say accept, yeah, that's fine. But you can see here the code is generated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that is what we are not getting here. So let me search for code. Where is this code? Okay. See, you're not seeing anywhere that the token values.
Right.
Which was creating on the browser, right?
Yeah, this is creating on the browser. If you look at this, hold on. So you can see this, it created the code. So you can see this. Right? And
Yeah,
if you see
yeah.
here also, you can see the code here. Okay, code is equal to, you have the value.
Okay.
Okay.
But you're not getting on the Postman. So I don't know what's happening. Anyway, so we really need to move on both of these.
Yes, Naveen.
Anuraj,
Yep.
we need to speed up on this, otherwise it will be a very problematic for us. So inside Global Insights, it's still working, right?
Yeah, it was working.
Okay. I think this will come. So what we need to do is